Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back. This is Daily Trading Analysis with a quick market update for today, October 9th, Wednesday. We are going straight into the charts because today it's another day without important economic data. Everyone is waiting for tomorrow's CPI and Friday's PPI, inflation data, and for the looks of it, looks like I was pretty right on the weekly recap because look at this zone of the 1 hour week, which we were holding throughout all the week. And I said on the weekly recap on Saturday that these lows were protected. And with the open interest in the 34,000 for ES and 10,000 on the Nasdaq, I was really expecting for upside. And as you can see here, we are entering into the weekly imbalance and the daily imbalance. So let's recap on that. We have on the weekly, we have these two zones of a lot of rejection. We first rejected here 3 weeks ago, and on the daily, we've been just knocking on the door of that fair value gap, which now it's coiling up, pressuring 20,700s. So go back to the 1 hour and we can see that we cleared these relative equal highs, we cleared this pivot, and we are now entering into this 15-minute inverse fair value gap right here into this flash. So we are right now super choppy. We were chopping again during the open accumulation and we started grinding higher. It was not clear price action until the 45 EMA reclaimed the price, and then we took the 400s. And from then, we've been just trying to go higher, but right now, I mean, this looks weak. This looks weak, and Nvidia is in the red. Google is minus 2.25 with its own catalyst, with the Department of Justice trying to break down Google, and Meta minus 1%. The only thing pushing is Apple. Apple is really covering this market. Apple, financials, and everything else is just, well, I mean, we are 0.50 on the day for now, but this is looking a little bit weak. So on the 1 hour, we are looking strong on higher time frames, and I'm really waiting for tomorrow's CPI to really see if we are going to break both inverse daily and weekly fair value gaps. That would mean that most probably if we break that, we are going to hand all these all-time highs. Let's see the continuous chart, because that would be quite important to really see on the CPI reading. If we get a good CPI, as you can see, the point of control is below price right now, both anchored right here and anchored into the all-time highs. So there's a lot of volume down. There's a lot of volume. So everyone that wanted to be long, it's already in a position ahead of CPI and PPI. So if the reading is good, we are going to fly. Until then, we just took liquidity the same as yesterday. Let's go back to the December contract. Yesterday, we took these relative equal highs. Today, we took these relative equal highs and pushed a little bit higher. But the main culprit is this level at 538, which remains, I think, pending a big catalyst. So until tomorrow CPI, in 1 hour, we are going to see the FOMC minutes. I don't think that is a big catalyst. We already know what the Fed is thinking. Unless a big surprise, I think tomorrow will be the day to really see the big move higher. In terms of my trade, so basically I took, let me just focus on this. We took these relative equal lows right into the open sell side, and I took this inverse right here. The inverse into this pullback is just, I think it was 7 points. 7 points. Residual ratio of 4.84, 37 points is just $800, $700. It's just a quick scalp, because I was pretty sure that after this series of liquidity build and this volume imbalance, we were going to hand the liquidity before the open. And after the open, we just try to chop everyone's out and excuse me. Then we just went to the races, and right now we are more or less holding. We are below value, below point of control, and below the 45 EMA, but we'll see what happens with the FOMC minutes. But I'm betting everything for tomorrow and Friday's PPI. Until then, I will be sitting tight, a couple of scalps, and I'm waiting for that big opportunity. Thank you all for my support on my videos. If you found this video useful, please give it a like. That's all from my side. Please subscribe to the channel. I upload videos like this one every single day for market forecasts, market updates, and market recaps. I appreciate your time, just always. The trading day is not over yet. Tomorrow and after tomorrow are going to be big days. So don't ruin your week, don't ruin your month. We are just starting. Wait for the price action to show you a big trend. I think something big it's waiting for us now that the point of control on the daily is below us. I think big money is already positioned. So if we see a good reading, I think we are going to get a nice trend days. So be patient, be disciplined, manage your risk, stay safe everyone, and see you tomorrow.